Hello friends, my name is Saritha. Recently I am working as a registered nurse in Muscat, and today I am very glad to announce that I have cracked my PTE examination on very first attempt, and I could achieve my desired score. And I would like to thank Jumps Abroad Jinsima team members. Thank you so much for your effort, support, and continuously you are contacting me to improve my scores on my mock test. Initially it was very difficult for me to achieve a desired score in reading module. Especially I felt reading module is one of the toughest module, and with the support and guidance and the advice of the Jinsima, I could really crack my PTE examination on very first attempt, and I will strongly recommend it for other test takers to contact Jumps Abroad, and you will get the desired score on very first attempt. Thank you so much.